Good day and mabuhay! On today's episode, we are going to venture for one of the amazing falls here in Coquitlam, Crystal Falls.
I hope you enjoy the video. We're gonna get wet today.
Enjoy!
Yep.
So we are here in the entrance of the Crystal Falls trail. It's hard to find this trail.
This is
Residential area. Oh, make sure to wear proper shoes, clothing. It's muddy here. Oh.
That's what river is it? Coquitlam River. This is Coquitlam River, man.
Right. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. We're just like about started 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and this is the trail.
Coquitlam River.
That's right. And it's getting narrow and narrower. It's like a rocky hike here. Make sure if you go hike, make sure to have a buddy system. If you have a friend with you.
This is like easy
hike.
Not too hard though.
That's right.
Look at the river.
There you go. There's a lot of
Very
people here
nice.
too. They're all resting.
It's so shallow, eh?
Yeah. It's nice for swimming, I guess.
It's not really swimming, man.
Yeah, more into like playing around, splashing. Okay, here's a quick view of the river. Just to show you guys how clean, how clear is the water.
Oh, there's over there too.
Yeah, there's two rivers. Two. One in the other side. Wow, nice. So nice and quiet here.
Monday.
It's Monday, that's right.
Go weekdays.
Yeah, weekdays is the best. Right, Rome?
Yeah.
Weekends are gonna be so busy here. Look at the canopy. Trees. Lots of moss.
Actually, this is so close to the residential area. Not too far.
Not too far, yeah. So they have a nice trail here then.
Yeah.
They're lucky.
I think it's good for beginner.
Yeah, for this one, right? That's a quite challenge. There's like muddy rocks everywhere. Oh, there's a lot of photos at this one in this side. If I remember. Yeah. One of the oldest tree trunk.
You see the fire that was inside that tree?
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
There was a fire through here.
Oh.
Burn?
Yeah, look
If-
under.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So as for this lady here, it's burned down. Oh, right there. Yes, it is. Thank you.
Yeah. So,
Something to
Apparently
learn.
There was a fire inside the trees.
well, long time ago, everything.
Oh, I see. Like bushfire?
Yeah.
Forest fires.
Forest
Forest
fire.
fire. Yeah, yeah. But that's with a cedar tree. The wood inside rots,
Right.
so it burns first and leaves the outside
Oh, I see.
clean
nice.
wood.
Oh, nice.
Especially when it's
Thank you.
raining, you can go inside there. Okay. For shelter. Oh, nice. Good to know. See, it just rained a couple days ago, and and be careful. It's really muddy. There's no marker. There's no marker along the trails here, so it's just easy,
But it's
straightforward.
easy because you have the track.
Yeah, you can see the track here. See, right
Just
there.
follow.
There you go. Just follow the tracks.
Oh,
Ooh, nice.
small creek.
Small creek. Oh.
Yeah. Should we drink this one?
No,
Not yet.
not yet.
Too early?
Too early. Nice. Ooh, watch out your step there. Slippery.
Some fallen trees.
Yeah, there's a lot of fallen trees here. Wow, this is another challenging part again. Balancing act
Yeah,
101.
this is how the track.
So wood, so step by step. Wish me luck. There, we're crossing.
Ah, this one easy.
Yeah, easy. There you go. Yeah, we made it.
Ah,
Okay, Ro.
yeah.
You made it. Lots of obstacle here.
I can do that with my eyes closed.
Yeah, true. It's part of a training.
Wow, become narrow.
Yeah. And we're not even halfway there yet.
Very small, eh?
Yeah, how many kilometers is this again, Rome?
5.5.
So that's about 2 hours, 3 hours?
No,
No?
maybe 1 hour.
So
trip,
one trip.
hour.
Okay. So 2 hours back and forth. Oh, nice. Another obstacle here, guys. A stream. There we go.
Wow, very nice.
And it's
track,
so clean too.
eh? Let me try this one.
Go ahead. Are you gonna drink?
No, not this one.
Ah, cross. Swim. All right. Now my turn. There we go. It's 5.5 and apparently we're so fast. We just arrived in our destination, the Crystal Falls. It's just up ahead here. You can, yeah, if you can hear, here. Not a challenge, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. Falls up ahead.
This is it.
This is it. We're just gonna look for a place to take a photos and videos.
Let's go over there.
Yeah, we go. Just gonna wait for people here.
Oh, that's so close.
Hello. Ah,
Yes, guys.
there's the Crystal Falls.
Crystal Falls.
Then we can hike back again and too many times, 2 or 3 more.
Yeah.
Just gonna go front there to get some nice video.
Yeah, here.
Gonna be here. That one's slippery. There you go. We made it! Yeah!
Hey guys.
Finally, we arrived
Yeah.
here.
Apparently, it's faster than we thought. So this is the falls. You can see that.
Up ahead there.
That's the falls. This is the falls. We're trying to go to the falls.
Go on top there for some selfie videos and photos. Alright. Yeah, it is.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, there's a hole inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good, right?
Really cold. Where did you go? Really cold.
Look, Bobby, alright! Woohoo! Look at that! That's the fall. This is the fall! Yeah! We're ready! Woohoo! Get wet! Oh my God! Look at this! Wow! What the hell? Are you taking shower or what? Lay down, lay down. Yoo-hoo! Whoa, go dip.
Another amazing video from the Wandering Explorers again. Thank you for watching our video.
I hope you like the video, guys. Terima kasih.
Salamat and mabuhay. Till next time.